In this particular event, I learned a lot about how the multifamily and Mark analyzes properties and does a deeper dive on more an analytical and a pattern kind of formula. So I'm very interested in different people's opinions and perspectives on how they analyze properties. We're walking through actual deals, and the fabulous part is seeing how the actual people who have done actual deals do the actual analysis. And I get an emotional sense of what things they look for and what triggers they pulled and what levers they leveraged when they're analyzing a deal. So I can read things on pro formas and past tense and things like that, but to have the person who actually did the deal explain to me what he was thinking at this particular step was important to me. So I come to these events, this isn't my first one, and so the basics and the down and dirty and deal analysis is something you can read in a book. These events are about networking. It's about reaching out to other professionals and other syndicators and people interested. I like coming to these events because I'm surrounded by people who have the same mentality, who are ambitious and driven towards the same goals. I meet a lot of people who do the same things that I do, feel the same things that I feel, have the same questions, and are the curious nature of all of us together. And it's good because I can shake hands with them, exchange business cards and Facebook information, and then keep in contact with them. So that's the best part. So the mentors and everybody that I've been experienced with, it takes a certain passion. And it takes a certain level of being able to explain things, especially for me, explain it like I'm 5 or break it down potato head style for me. I like certain mentors and people who are professional and experienced enough to be able to explain it to me in ways that I can understand. And without assuming that I have a CPA degree or I have some advanced degree, which I don't. So they automatically get it off the bat and breaking it down to the basic language for everybody right off the bat.